Hello, my name is Wes Snyder, and I live on in McCandless on Roosevelt Boulevard, North Hills. And I made this video for Jake Wagner, whom I hired to take down 2 trees that were within 5 feet of my house. And I was afraid that perhaps a high wind they would total my house if they fell down. In fact, one tree the oak tree was about 120 years old, was over 90 feet tall. The other was a similar height tree, a maple tree. If you're interested in having Jake take down any trees for you, just watch this short 5-minute video and see how effective he was in protecting my property from any damage when he took these huge trees down. What's that?
The direction that I'm pulling, that's what's going to position the pulley.
Okay.
Give me a minute, I'll show you.
Okay, Jake Warren is about ready to take the one tree down here. He's backed the truck up and put the line under tension here. You can see it where he's tripped the whole tree off except for the very top. Going to take down the big oak tree now. Going to cut down a couple branches here. You can see Jake is up there right now, tying off a branch so he could put tension to it and pull it down into this other pile that we're having here. You can see all the pile of debris here. We're going to drop the top of the tree here in one fell swoop and pray that all his calculations were correct. Jake's calculations. Here it comes. Wow. Wow. What a fall. Hey! Hallelujah. Talk about knowing what you're doing, huh? Huh? What's rotten, huh? What's that again?
The center looks like shredded wheat.
Oh, wow.
It's all rotted.
Oh, it was rotted, wasn't it, huh?
Yep.
Ooh.
That's the center of it.
Huh. My name is Wes Snyder. I hired Jake Warren to do what you see here. And he did it all by himself in one day. This is, it's February the 19th, 2019 right now. And we waited till the ground became more firm in temperature-wise. And It's amazing what Jake can do. He does such a fantastic job at the best price I had quoted by anybody. So if you're interested in having a good job done by Jake, give him a call on his phone number at 814-573-6662. He lives in Meadville and has about a 100-mile radius for satisfied customers. Thank you, Jake, for the job you've done for me. Appreciate it.